last year we did a complete redesign of our old bathroom. This year it was time for the kitchen, which was an even bigger challenge. These wooden floors are dangerous, I'm telling you. Before you can make trash, you have to make a trash can. But we are going to try our best to make this piece of crap look almost as astonishingly beautiful as our shrine in the bathroom. Look at this abayote. As a reminder, this is what it looked before, bling, and this is what it looks now. Now we have one super classy shrine in the room, but next to it, the old shrine was looking less than fashionable. So we were thinking, how can we make this old guy look a lot more classy, but this time with a lot less effort. Please. Joscha and Lenas Kitchen Makeover!
We're thinking about how can we make it better, but not buying a whole new shrine. This is the answer.
Look at that, so classy. Love that. More storage space.
This is our useful everyday wall shelf.
I hope it's going to be useful every day. Slap that on there. Ah. Now we bought another shelf from IKEA, which is this one. But because we ordered it online, we were not aware how insanely huge in all directions this thing was. Oh look, I can put my whole head on here. So I don't know if we're even gonna keep this one there.
Yeah, we bought another smaller shelf, but obviously this is way too bright for us. So we bought Brit.
Wow, I totally know what that is.
Yeah.
No, that's a joke. I don't know what that is. What is that, Lena? What does that do?
You apply it to the wood and then it still keeps the structure of the wood, but it's a different color.
You apply it to the wood and it looks good. We got these tiles here, which I think need a little bit more variation. So we thought of kind of like a black and white tile combination.
Like chess.
Yeah, exactly. So you can play chess on the wall.
Ooh.
That would be kind of cool though. That would be sick actually. So anyway, ripping out half of the tiles to replace them with black ones was not really an option, especially not a cheap one. But since we already did the wood foils, we thought maybe there's also tile foils. And weirdly enough, there was a shop specialized just on that.
So now we have a bunch of patterns to try out.
I think we're probably going with black. It's time for the last tile, and we've waited quite a long time to put it on because this is the mono tile.
Yeah, it's the mono.
It's this weird frog, it's just always been there. I mean, I'm not really attached to it, but you know, it is a bit sad.
Yeah. I don't want him to go away.
But we're not going to take him away. He's gonna stay here underneath the new black tile so that he will be always in our hearts and on our kitchen wall. Goodbye, Mono.
Oh, this is so sad. But he's there all the time.
Yes. Now, before we move on to the next project, let me tell you a quick story. It was the 18th of February 2020, weeks before everything went to shit. Me and Lena were lucky enough to work as waiters at the Brit Awards 2020. And after the event, we were allowed to take home our custom aprons from the event. We gifted one of these unique aprons to Uta, and it has been hanging in her kitchen happily ever after. But we thought a collector's item like this deserves a better place to assert its dominance over regular aprons. So we bought a frame for it. Ta-da! It's a huge ass frame. Perfect! Look at that! We also added a little text box saying worn by Lena during the Brit Awards 2020 at the O2 London to make it really feel like a collector's item. We also wanted to add a photo of us wearing our aprons at that day, but of course because of all the celebrities we weren't allowed to take any photos during the event. They even made us go through a metal detector to make sure that we wouldn't secretly sneak in a phone. So we needed to replicate our own photos.
This is not really how you do a tie. It's been a while, so I kind of forgot how to do it.
Look at that.
We signed on there.
I hope there's no hidden fees on this contract.
No.
Look at that. This looks like we're famous or something.
Ta-da. It's perfect. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did and you wonder how you can show that, let me tell you that with modern technology there is a button for that. There's actually two buttons. There's one down here where you can like the video, and there's one down here where you can subscribe to the channel, which shows us even more love. And if you're really out to make our day, you can hit both of them. How crazy is that? Well, regardless of what you do, thanks for watching, and we'll see you hopefully in the next video when we make this kitchen even nicer. Which you might be thinking, how is that even possible at this point? But I can assure you,
Oh, it's Lenas!